This is how to download any video from Google Chrome without losing quality. So first thing that you will do is simply go to google.com and search over here video download Chrome extension, and just simply click on the first one, which is Video Downloader Professional. And after that, just simply click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. And after that, just simply click on your extensions over here and make sure to pin it. And after that, just simply go into one of website. So guys, from here, I will be using this website over here. As you can see, it has multiple videos. And after that, you should be able to click on over here. And as you can see, you should be able to see all of the videos that are available. And you should be able to just simply click on download over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and select a location. And as you can see, when we play on it, we should be able to download the video. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.